Hey guys, so today we're heading out back to pop this squishy because, you know, okay. You guys ready? Okay. Ah! Look at that. Let's do another one. Boom. So, boom. Should have caught it, but it's fine. Let me push it all the way through. And then ready, guys? Okay. Well, it's not really coming, so I'll give you a second. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. It's just literally an empty skin. So, I'm gonna post another video. So check it out. Click down here, and I'm gonna pop some more of my squishies. So bye.